Hey guys, today we're gonna go over some neck mobility. So if you have neck stiffness, maybe you're hunched over during the day, this is right for you. But before we get into it, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another tip with me. Okay, so we're gonna do a level 1 and a level 2 neck stretch, and I'm gonna show you some tissue pulls to get in a deeper stretch. If you're in an occupation that maybe you're hunched over a lot, or you're sitting at your desk, or maybe you even get kind of shoulder pain in through here, this can help you, okay? So what I'm gonna do is, the second level, we're gonna have a long loop band, but I'll show you another way that you can up it a notch if you don't have a long loop band. So let's go ahead and get into it. So first, what I want you guys to do when you're performing this is roll your shoulders back, kind of tuck the chin like this, okay? We don't want things rolled forward because that's gonna restrict our range of motion. So let's go ahead, shoulders back, okay? Chin is tucked. I'm literally gonna take my ear and I'm gonna take it to my shoulder. Okay, this is called lateral bend. Kind of relax that head down, hold it. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna move on though. We're gonna lateral bend to the left, so ear, don't bring the shoulder up and do this. Just let everything relax, keep the shoulders back. All right, next we're gonna do a rotation. You hold that, rotation. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the rotation side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna look back and up, and then I'm gonna do a small tissue pull down, very lightly down. And I'm not gonna hold that one too long, okay? So I'm gonna go back, so I'm gonna rotate, and then I'm gonna look back, boom, pull down very lightly. Good, and the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm simply just gonna tuck my chin down to my chest, and this is going to stretch out the posterior down and even to the mid-back if you're really tight there, all right? So that's the first sequence. Second sequence is going to be, and trust me, if you do that right, you're really gonna get a good stretch. Okay, second sequence, we're gonna grab a long loop band, or we can grab onto a ledge, a table ledge. What this is going to do, it's going to depress the shoulder down. And so what that's going to do, it's like a tissue pull for our upper trap, which tends to be super tight. So now I'm gonna do the same movements. I'm gonna lateral bend, woo! All right, and then you can keep on that same side and rotate, relax the shoulder, look back and up, tissue pull down, and relax, and then switch sides, okay? And you don't want to overdo it on this because this is a very deep stretch. Okay, let's do this. Lateral bend, relax the shoulder, back to center, rotate, back and up, tissue pull down, woohoo! All right, so that's level 1 and level 2 series to the neck. It's literally that simple. Take it slow, feel for the restrictions. Don't hold it for too long, 10 seconds, move on to the next. All right, do this 3 to 4 rounds, 3 to 4 times a week. Let me know if this helped you. Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.